On the first day of school. Hey, look, there's Candy and Freda over there. Let's go talk to them. I know, right? Hey, girls. What's going on? Oh, Pinkie. Rose. Man, we missed you guys. Oh. Where have you girls been all my life? We were starting to wonder that, too. The thing is, we're all together now. There is no pony, and I mean no pony, is gonna ruin this first day for us. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look. Hey guys, the room just went silent. Did you notice that? Yeah, I did. Oh god. What? Everybody's staring at us. Excuse me, but is there something you need? Can't help but notice your dirty looks. Hey! Why are you all laughing at us like that? That's mean. Yeah. What'd you do that for, punk? Calling me a punk? Really? But then really, you look like a monstrosity. That a challenge, little girl? 'Cause I can beat you to a pulp. How can you fly? Wait, oh, you're Pegasus pony, but yet you can't fly. So basically, you're grounded. Freda! You're gonna pay for that, you stupid Pegasus. I'd like to see you try, stupid Earth Pony. Stupid Earth Pony. Look who has messy hair. That doesn't seem right to me. I guess you can say you're all messed up. Oh, what you got on me? Am I right? Aren't I right? Let's go. Well, every pony's not paying attention to us anymore. Come on, we gotta go find Freda. Right. It's true. I can't fly. What she said about me was true. I can't fly when my wings are bandaged like this. All because of that stupid car accident. My mom just had to be drunk when she drove that stupid that stupid car. She just had to. And nobody did anything to stop her. Not even my dad or my sisters did. Not even my uncle. They didn't even care a flying feather about it. I'm the youngest in the family, and they almost let me die. Now I'm scarred for life because of them. I think I heard her over here. Oh no. Wait, oh, those are my friends. I guess I should tell them what happened. Freda! Hey, girls. Oh, you crying? Thanks. Freda? Don't listen to what she said. She's just being a jerk. She was just being a big bully, you know? And we won't let that get in the way of our friendship. No way. If she ever comes around again, we'll throw her out the nearest window. This is a camp. There are no windows. There are only cliffs and stuff like that. Then we'll throw her off a cliff. We're gonna get arrested for that. Yeah, she makes a good point, because we're teenagers. We're close to being adults. Oh. Well, we'll make sure that she gets what she deserves. And that's all for the better. Until then, if she shows up, I'm gonna give her what she deserves. Don't worry. We'll help you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.